Are you including your teammates? As a leader, a lot of times you may be tempted to look into the matter yourself. Being a leader, मुझे सब पता होना चाहिए. I should be able to solve it. अगर ये टीममेट को बताऊंगा, टीम मेंबर्स को बताऊंगा, तो वो सोचेंगे मे बी दैट्स अ साइन ऑफ वीकनेस. कैसे रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा, अच्छा लगेगा, नहीं लगेगा, एंड लॉट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. And for various reasons, you may end up not involving them, not including them in, um, whatever you're dealing with or whatever the challenge at hand is, work related or otherwise. Yeah. So let's talk about it. What's the impact and what you must really do? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, and as a happiness coach, I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. And coming back to what we were talking about, that as a leader, do you involve your teammates, your team members? So like I said, a lot of times you'll be able to see those reasons in your life कि अगर आप नहीं उन्हें इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हो तो उसके पीछे कई कारण हो सकते हैं, राइट? Like I said, you feel as a leader, I should know it all, I should be able to solve it, I should not take it to them. I'm the leader, so I have more experience, and because I have more experience, I should be able to bring forth a solution. Or I should have an opinion, and then, I can probably ask, but at least I must know. And now, when you are not involving them, when you're not including them, it it is a big dampener, I would say, because as human beings, we all want to be seen and heard. We all want to be seen and heard. And when you are not involving somebody, any one team member or maybe the entire team, if you're not involving them, then that's a question mark on them being seen and heard. So while they are getting their salaries, they have their designations, they are doing their work from the morning till the evening. But the whole point is, what about it? Where is that growth? So अगर उनकी ओपिनियन मैटर नहीं करती है, उनको इंक्लूड नहीं किया जाता है, then they are they even a part of it? कहने को वो आपकी टीम का पार्ट हैं, एंड यू ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्ट एंड वॉन्ट देम टू हैव योर बैक. कुछ चैलेंज है तो ये खड़े रहे मेरे साथ में, राइट? दे आर देयर, कंधे से कंधा मिला के. बट द पॉइंट इज, what's the treatment that you are giving to them? Yeah. So if you do not include them, then you cannot expect the other way also. So you need to really start looking कि क्या है जो मुझे रोक रहा है? What is it that stops me from including them? And there'll be maybe some fear. How will I look? What will happen to my image? क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में? 10 जगह बात होगी, and you get so conscious about it and you behave in a certain way, and which leads to a certain impact. So what do you want? How do you want your team to function? And then asking yourself whether I am including them or not. And if I'm not including them, what stops me? Because not including has a certain impact. What stops me? Okay, this is the fear, and that you will know. Be true to yourself, figure out. Is the fear about image? Is the fear that, okay, as a leader, I'm the leader? Or is the fear that, that's how the other leader behaves, and I think that's the way to be, so I also must do like that, and many more. So once you figure out what is it for you, what is that fear, what is that belief, strong belief which stops you from doing it, then putting that at bay, creating a new context, and deciding for yourself, making that choice कि मैं क्या चाहता हूँ अपनी टीम के लिए, and then consciously making that effort of including them. करके देखो. इफ यू फील कि इंक्लूड करने से कुछ खास फर्क नहीं पड़ा, इट्स मोर ऑफ अ पेन, एंड जो भी आपके फियर्स थे वो सब सच हो गए हैं, go back to your old ways. But let me tell you, you are in for a surprise when you're doing it. और अगर आप उन्हें इन्वॉल्व नहीं करते हो, बियॉन्ड अ पॉइंट यू विल सी दे विल स्टॉप ट्राइंग एंड दे मे वांट टू मूव आउट ऑफ योर टीम और इवन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Because if I don't get to contribute, if I don't get to express, if I don't get to share my ideas or whatever I feel about the whole thing, then I don't feel that sense of ownership. And when there's no ownership, how long will I continue? It'll be more of a mechanical thing that I'm doing. It's not mine, you know. So for me to have that feeling, that context, that this is my team, what I'm doing is important, मेरी accountability है, जो हो रहा है मेरी भी ओनरशिप है, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, दे इफ यू वांट कि वो जज्बा उनमें भी हो और वो दिखे और उस लेवल पे वो काम करें, आपके साथ खड़े रहें, then you've got to include them. You've got to involve them. Yeah. So are you involving them or not? And if not, how are you going to do it differently? What will you do now? I'm going to leave you with this question. Hope you found this meaningful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.